Good evening and welcome to the Glover Open House. My name is Brian Ota and I am the principal at the Glover School. The pandemic has changed everything at Glover School, and that includes tonight's open house. So I'm going to forego my normal opening comments because I am sure you want to get right to the classrooms and meet your teachers and hear about all the exciting things that they're going to do with your children. At the end of my introduction, you will meet all of the supporting teachers whose job is to enrich and make exciting your students' experiences at the Glover School. At the end of tonight's open house, if you have any questions or concerns that you would like to discuss with me, please give me a call in the morning or send me an email and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And with that, I wish you a great open house and welcome to Glover School.
Hi, my name's Amanda Lockerbie, and I'm a school psychologist at the Glover Elementary School.
Hi, I'm Jess Levensey. I am the ABA coordinator for the district, and I'm also the team chair for Glover's Access program. I've worked in the district the last several years as a BCBA, and I am excited to continue working in the district in this new role.
Hello, my name is Alyssa Zimmy. I'm the Marblehead Preschool Coordinator and the Special Education Team Chair at Glover School. This will be my second year at Glover, and I'm looking forward to continuing my role within the district.
Hi, my name is Jessica Maria, and I am the school counselor here at Glover Elementary. School counselors are a general education service here to support the academic, social, and emotional needs of all students. Feel free to reach me anytime at maria.jessica@marbleheadschools.org.